1, A, B, and C, but it's 3 pages total. Looks like this. Most of you found it? Okay, so we have been looking at the inverse of an exponential function. We now know it is called a logarithmic function. The logarithmic function gives us the exponent in an exponential form. This is summarized in the diagram below. So if we input a 3 into 2 to the third power, we get 8. So we have log base 2 of x is going to be 8. So we can summarize this relationship by saying that 2 to the third power is 8. So log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Now let's get a bit better at our logarithmic fluency. As a team, work together to complete the following problems. Be sure to discuss with your group and come to a consensus on why your answer is correct. It says this will be graded as a team quiz. No, we're not doing that. They're kind of too easy at this point. Calculate each of the values below, then justify your answers by writing the equivalent exponential form. So that's going to be your A through H. Then on question number 2, at the bottom it says practice your logarithm fluency by calculating each of the values. You're going to change to exponential form for A through, that must be E down there, okay? Then up at the top of page, what we're going to call B, page B, it says, place the following expressions on the number line. Be sure to justify your answers by showing any work that you did. So I'm going to do number 3 with you, and then the rest you're going to do in your groups of 4. All right, so for part A, it has log base 3 of 3, and 3 to the first power is 3. That means your A is 1. So you come over to 1, and you put an A. You guys see how this works? Okay. Part B is log base 3 of 9, so B is 2, because 3 squared is 9. So you come over to 2, and you put a B. C is log base 3 of 1/3, and 3 to the negative first is 1/3. That means your C is -1. So you come over to -1, and you put a C. So you're just going to work in your teams, get through all those, and then there's some questions to answer about it on page C, and then you are done. All right? Any questions on that? No? Okay, go ahead and pick up your desks and turn them into your groups. If you guys get stuck or need help, let me know. I'll come around.